In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use promo code in Coinbase tutorial. If you've received a promo code for a bonus, a fee discount, or a small reward, I'll walk you through exactly where to enter it and what to expect after you redeem it. First, open your Coinbase app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on the official Coinbase app and that it's updated so the rewards section looks and works as expected. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in method and complete any security checks you've enabled. It's best to redeem codes on the account you actively use, since rewards are tied to the account that enters the code. Once you're in, look toward the upper left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It typically looks like three horizontal lines. Tap that to open the main menu so you can find the area where promo codes are handled. From the menu, select Rewards. This is the hub for promotions, bonuses, and learning rewards. If you don't immediately see it, try scrolling within the menu. Availability can vary by region and account eligibility, so the label may appear only when your account supports it. Inside the rewards section, tap Enter Promo Code. This opens a field dedicated to code entry, so you can apply your offer without affecting anything else in the app. Type or paste your promo code in the box. Double check for extra spaces before or after the code, and make sure you've entered each character correctly. If you're pasting from a message, ensure the code hasn't included hidden spacing or punctuation. Some codes are case sensitive and most are single use. Then tap Apply or Redeem. The app will quickly validate the code. If it works, you'll see a confirmation letting you know the code was accepted. If it doesn't, common reasons include an expired code, a code that's already been used, or a code that isn't available for your region or account type. Make sure your code is valid and unused, as expired or shared codes won't work. Once accepted, your reward or bonus is automatically added to your account. Depending on the offer, you might see it reflected in your asset balance, your rewards history, or as a discount on your next eligible trade. Some rewards apply instantly, while others can take a short time to appear. That's all there is to it. Keep your codes from trusted sources, redeem them promptly, and always review the terms of the promotion so you know how and when the reward applies. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Coinbase rewards.